When the blast faded, the world went silent. Not a scream, not a siren, only the sound of burning memories.
He didn't remember the explosion, only the flash, and the feeling that everything he loved had vanished.
Every step through the ashes felt like walking through time. A time that refused to move forward.
Then he saw it, a small piece of metal shining through the dust. His best friend's name, staring back at him.
He pressed it to his heart. In that moment, he wasn't a soldier, just a man who survived what no one should.
Did you just see that? That entire cinematic scene you watched was made without a camera, without a crew, and without spending a single dollar. Yeah, everything you just saw was created using free AI tools right inside my browser. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. But here's the thing. Every single part of this process is important. So stay with me till the end, because by the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly how to make your own Hollywood-style movie scene completely free. Alright, first things first, we need an idea. Not just any idea, but something that feels like Hollywood. So I went straight to the brain of the internet, ChatGPT, and asked it for a few ideas to create a cinematic movie scene using AI. And guess what? It gave me 7 insane ideas, each with a different genre, a unique main character, and a cool storyline. We had everything from space explorers to time travelers, but one instantly caught my eye. It was called The Fallen Samurai. The name itself felt like it belonged on a movie poster. A lone warrior lost in time, haunted by his past. I mean, come on, it sounds epic already. So I picked that one. Then I asked ChatGPT to give me 5 detailed and consistent prompts, including voice narrations for each scene. And honestly, the results were perfect. It gave me exactly what I was looking for. 5 rich cinematic prompts that could easily pass for a professional storyboard. You'll see what I mean soon. Alright, now that we've got our story, it's time to bring it to life. For that, I went to this amazing website called MindVideo. It's basically a playground for AI filmmakers. Here, you can find almost every top-tier AI video generator all in one place, unlike Kling AI, VO3, Gemini, Runway, Hilo AI, Flux, and more. But here's the best part. Recently, MindVideo added access to Sora 2, completely free. Yep, you heard that right. Sora 2 for free. No VPNs, no invite codes, no shady links, just pure cinematic power right in your browser. All you have to do is sign in using your Gmail. Then, under the Video AI tab, select the text-to-video option, and boom, you're inside the dashboard. If you click this little drop-down menu, you'll see a list of all the AI video generators available. Next to each one, you can see how many credits you need to use them. Now look closely. You'll notice there are 2 versions of Sora 2 here, Sora 2 Free and Sora 2 Pro. For this experiment, we'll use the free version, which costs exactly 0 credits. And as you can see, my balance is also exactly 0 credits. So, yeah, we're making Hollywood magic on a literal $0 budget. The free version doesn't have many customization options, skill-wise, but it still does an incredible job. I just copied the first prompt that ChatGPT gave me, pasted it here, and entered the aspect ratio manually. That part's important, but because if you skip it, Sora tends to create random aspect ratios that look, let's just say, experimental. So I entered the cinematic 16:9 format and hit create. Now this part takes a few minutes. If you're using this tool during a busy time, you might notice something funny. The estimated waiting time keeps going up and never comes down. Yeah, it's not broken, that's just Sora time. But don't worry, patience is part of the process. You'll know it's worth it when the scene finally appears. If you want to get access to Sora 2's official website, I showed exactly how to do that in my previous video, so make sure to check that out right after this. Oh, and if you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss a video worth watching, because we're just getting started. And the next part, that's where the magic happens. After a few minutes, I finally got my first clip. And, wow, look at this.
When the fires rose, my honor fell with them. I watched my home burn, and with it, every vow I ever made.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. No way, that looks straight out of a Hollywood movie. But hold up, before we get too excited, yeah, the quality isn't great, I get it. This is not YouTube ready yet, it's not even TikTok ready, but trust me, we're going to fix that in a little while. Still, just look at the realism here. The lighting, the motion, the atmosphere. It's honestly crazy what free AI can do now. It almost feels like I'm watching a lost scene from a samurai film. And here's something special about this AI. It doesn't just generate visuals, it actually decides what kind of voice should match the narration automatically, so you don't get any random funny robot voices, no weird chipmunks or overly dramatic narrators. The voice perfectly matches the mood of the clip. That's next level stuff. In under half an hour, I had all my clips ready, the full story of the fallen samurai, piece by piece. But here's the catch. This site has some limitations. If you're using the free plan, you can only generate about 5 videos per day. So if you need more, you either wait for tomorrow, or you upgrade to a paid plan. And yeah, there are a few small issues you'll notice. There's a watermark in the top right corner of each video. That's easy to crop out during editing. The bigger issue? The video quality. These videos look great at first glance, but if you look closer, the resolution just isn't sharp enough. And in today's world, video quality directly impacts your views. Even if your story is amazing. If it looks low quality, people scroll away instantly. So we've got to fix that. If you're using the paid plan, the problem's already solved, but if you're like me and sticking to free tools, don't worry. I spent hours testing different video enhancers. And honestly, most of them were either locked behind free trials or had so many limitations they were practically useless. And finally, I found something that actually works, and it's completely free. It's an online video editor called Flixier. And yes, it has a free monthly plan, no hidden nonsense. Just search Flixier Video Enhancer on Google and click the first link. You'll land right on their dashboard. From here, click Choose Video and it'll open their online editor. Now, click Import and bring all your AI clips into the project. Then drag them onto the timeline. I'm showing just one clip for now, but you can import and arrange all of them if you want. And here's a quick note, you can crop out the MindVideo watermark here, or later, during final editing. Totally up to you. Now here's the trick, technically, Flixier doesn't have a specific video enhance button, but it has something even better. Filters that actually boost visual quality. Select your clip on the timeline, then head over to the color tab on the top right. Under filters, there's one called Sharpen. Turn that on, and you'll instantly see the difference. The edges get crisper, the lighting pops, and suddenly your AI video looks cinematic. Next, under basic color adjustments, play with the vibrant setting. Increase it slowly until the colors feel alive, like real movie lighting. You can tweak other settings too, contrast, exposure, or even add subtitles if you want. Once everything looks good, hit export. If you're not signed in yet, it'll ask for your Gmail. Just sign in and export your video. A few moments later, boom, your upgraded cinematic clip is ready to download. I did this for all my clips, then brought them into my video editor for the final touch. Added transitions, background music, cropped out the watermarks, and rendered everything together. And finally, I had my own Hollywood-style AI movie scene made completely from scratch and completely free.
When the fires rose, my honor fell with them. I watched my home burn, and with it, every vow I ever made. warrior without a blade is a ghost. Yet even ghosts remember vengeance.
I swore before the spirits of my ancestors that I would cleanse my clan's dishonor with blood.
Fate brought us to this place, not as men, but as memories of war.
In the end, victory is only silence, and silence remembers everything.
And hey, if this video helped you even a little, drop a like and hit subscribe, because the next one is going to be even bigger.